color wheel is mostly used by many of the people in the sectors like designers, artists, painters, and different sectors uses color wheels to get appropriate colors for their desired needs. My name is Dinette David. I'm studying in Dreamzone, Kurpan Road, Thrissur as a multimedia student, and I'm going to talk about color wheels. What is color wheels? Color wheels is a visual representation of primary colors as how it creates other visible colors as well, and it's a diagram, a circular diagram with 12 shades of colors. Primary colors are mainly yellow, blue, and red. These are the basic colors which have been used for other sectors, that is secondary and tertiary colors. Secondary color is derived from primary colors. Primary colors are equally divided for bringing out a secondary color. For example, red and yellow gives orange, that is a secondary color. Out of secondary color we get even tertiary color, that is secondary and primary equally contributed for bringing out tertiary colors. This color wheel is mostly used by many of the people in the sectors like designers, artists, painters, and different sectors uses color wheels to get appropriate colors for their desired needs, and we use it day to day life. Color gives us more confidence. So now I would like to explain about color wheels. Color wheels has 12 colors altogether, but the main colors are 3, that is red, blue, and yellow. From this we derive secondary colors, that is from red and yellow we get orange, that is a secondary color. To get tertiary color we use equal amount of primary as well as secondary color to get the tertiary color, that is for example primary color yellow and secondary color orange provides you tertiary color, that is orangish yellow color.